Word problem strategies. How to break down and solve real-world math questions. Word problems can be tricky, not because the math is harder, but because the setup is hidden in real-life language. In this lesson, you'll learn proven strategies for breaking down word problems, identifying key information, and translating words into equations. You'll also practice step-by-step approaches to solve common problem types so you can tackle any scenario the TSI throws at you with confidence. Why word problems matter on the TSI. The TSI focuses on real-world application, not just solving equations, but applying math to situations. Word problems test your ability to translate language into math, choose the correct operation, apply reasoning and logic. Many TSI math questions are hidden inside word problems. Being good at these gives you a real edge. Step-by-step strategy for any word problem. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. Don't rush. Read it twice if needed. Highlight or underline key numbers and phrases. Step 2. Identify what is being asked. Is it asking for total, difference, how many more, what percent, etc.? Step 3. Define variables if needed. Use x or another letter to represent the unknown value. Write let x equals the number of to stay clear. Step 4. Choose the correct operation. Here are some common phrases and the operations they represent. Total, sum, in all. Addition, difference, how much more. Subtraction, product, times. Multiplication, divided equally, per. Division, is, equals, results in, equals. Step 5. Write and solve the equation. Keep your equation simple. Solve using algebra or estimation. Step 6. Check your work. Plug your answer back into the question. Make sure it makes sense in the real-world scenario. Common word problem types on the TSI. Age. Problems. Example. Jane is 3 years older than her sister. The sum of their ages is 21. How old is her sister? Define the variable. Let x equals sister's age. Jane's age. Write the equation. Simplify the equation. Solve for x. Subtract 3 from both sides. Divide by 2. Answer. The sister is 9 years old and Jane is 12 years old. Distance, rate, time. Formula. Distance equals rate time. Example. A car travels at 60 miles per hour for 3 hours. How far does it go? Given. R equals 60. T equals 3 hours. Substitute values. Dune equals 60 times 3. Multiply. 60 times 3 equals 180. Answer. The car travels 180 miles. Percent problems. Example. What is 25% of 80? Convert percent to decimal. Multiply by the number. 0.25 times 80 equals 20. Answer. 25% of 80 is 20. Money price discounts. Example. An item costs $40 and is 15% off. What's the sale price? Find the discount amount. Convert 15% to a decimal. Discount equals 0.15 times 40 equals 6. Subtract the discount from the original price. Sale price equals 40 minus 6 equals 34. Answer. The sale price is $34. Proportions. Set up a ratio and solve with cross multiplication. Example. If 5 apples cost $2, how much do 12 apples cost? Set up the ratio. Cross multiply. Solve for x. Answer. 12 apples cost $4.80. Word problem traps to avoid. Ignoring units, like feet, hours, dollars. Misreading what's being asked. Example. Finding total when the question asks for difference. Overcomplicating. Don't solve what wasn't asked. Forgetting to convert, like minutes to hours, cents to dollars. Always ask, does my answer make sense? Let's review what we've covered. This lesson taught you how to approach word problems step by identifying key information, choosing the correct operations, and forming equations. You practiced applying strategies to common TSI question types, including age, distance rate time, percent, and money problems. Word problems often hide the math inside real-world language, so reading carefully and checking your logic is crucial. With practice and patience, you can master word problems and confidently tackle any applied math question on the TSI.